So one of the issues I was told is that this entire filter, the wick, should get saturated from top to bottom. And as you can see, it only gets saturated up to where it sits in the water. And this is dry as a bone. It's been like that since day one. I just assumed that's how it was supposed to function. So, after speaking with the company, they tell me the whole thing should be saturated. So something's obviously wrong with this unit. Also, not sure if this plastic piece is supposed to be loose. That could possibly be an issue as well. So now I'm waiting to hear back from them. We'll see what happens.